So from the book that I use to take problems from, they use the word series all the time. All right. So you're going to see some of these problems that say the word series, and that means the sum of the sequence. The IB exam does not use the word series very often. They stick to just saying what's the sum of the terms of this arithmetic sequence. They use the same as the geometric sequence. So if you see the word series, it just means the sum of the sequence. Everything in this file are arithmetic sequences. If you're not sure, you can see that this is going down by 3 and then going down by 3 again. So that has a common difference. All right. So it says find the sum of the first 20 terms. So we have to look at this. That's n. That right there is b. Okay. This right here is u1. Right. I don't know what un is. I could figure it out, but I don't know what it is. So because I don't know what un is, that formula is very hard to use. So then I should use this first formula, which looks longer, and a lot of people are like, I don't want to use that if it's longer. But the issue is if I don't know un, I cannot use the second formula. Okay, could I go through the process of finding un? Absolutely. But when I do that, it becomes a longer thing anyway, so I should just use this formula right here. Okay, so it's S20, sum of the first 20 terms, equals 20 over 2 times 2, u1 is 60, plus n is 20, so I'm doing 20 terms, and the common difference is negative 3. All right, so I'm just taking everything from my information in the problem and using the formula to plug it all in very, very carefully. All right, and that's what's going to be the problem with these is the more careful you are, the more you practice, the more you understand where things go, the better off you're going to be. That's now just a calculator problem. So I'm going to alpha y equals into a fraction, 20 over 2. I got to be really careful with my parentheses here because I'm going to have like double parentheses and things. So 2 times 60 plus 20 minus 1 times negative 3. And then that last parentheses to close my original parentheses. So that's the exact same thing I have right there. And I just hit enter, and it gives me the sum, all those terms, is 630. And the issue with this is if you're not careful, you're not probably going to notice that that answer doesn't make sense. And that's the danger with these problems, because they just, if you put in the wrong number in one of those places, you're probably going to get an answer that doesn't throw up any red flags. Okay, if you get decimals for things, that's not automatically wrong, but a lot of times it's an indication that something might not be happening the correct way. So look out for those things as you go through and try these